Hi everyone, so I've come today to do a little quick video. I'm just making like a little ephemera pocket holder thing, and this is also a guest design team project for ArtfulEra Gallery. Below in the description box you will find a link. If you click on that link and you make a purchase, you will get 40% off what you buy. So go check that out as well. So I've already obviously pulled some things together in preparation for this video, and that and them are the only things that is not from ArtfulEra Gallery. That was some scraps left over, coffee dyed paper, little piece of crocheted trim, little bead thing here that I plan on using, and one of these. I kind of wish I had a gold one, but I don't. And then this, and this is from one of the mega bundles, and I'm going to make something. Right, to start with, I want to back this here, and I'm going to use some glue, and I forgot to put the lid on it, so it's probably all blocked up, so let me find something to sort that out. Right, hopefully this is going to work. There's a lot of kids outside playing, so if you can, I've shut the window over. It's a nice day. I've got to be outside, haven't I? Never mind that I kind of, my room is facing onto like a cul-de-sac at the back, and obviously kids are out playing, kicking a ball around. Anyway, okay, so I'm just going to back that, but leave like a border. I want a border. Oh, just had a car screech. Gave me a heart attack then, because I just said them kids are playing out there. They're okay, everything's okay. Panic over. Just I think that paper isn't actually quite even, so we shall find a ruler that's buried underneath everything now. Like, actually we'll do it that way, and oh, might draw a line there. That looks like it's not gonna go, and we'll do that there. Oh, my dogs are barking. This is what annoys me with like doing videos. It's all the outside noise. You probably can't or can barely hear it, but to me it's really loud, and I think it's a little bit off-putting, but there you go. So I could actually sew that together, make it kind of thick, or I could just glue around. I'm not going to do any sewing. I'm just going to glue around this, and we will make a little pocket at the top, and then I'll probably have to go and find something else to put in that now. Alright, we'll do some inking. Right, so that's that. There we go, so that's that part done. Right, this I do I want to reinforce this, because I'm going to make this like maybe a floating pocket. You know, I could attach it to, but I'm not sure where it's going to go in my journal yet. But, and this is the journal that I'm doing. I'm keeping it kind of neutral with maybe a slight bit of floral. As you can see, I've got the florals there, so it's going in that journal, which that's just the bare bones of that at the moment. So I'm just going to glue around here, because I'm going to make a pocket from this, and we just pop that on there like so. This is just going to be a real quick simple thing, she says. See what tabs I have punched out here. Want one of them. Not quite sure what I want that tab for, but okay, I've got to use it. We'll add a tab. Leave that there just now, because I don't know what I'm doing with that. That's going to go in there, and I do have some other pieces actually that I could actually add in there. I'll add that in there as well. And then this, I just want that little piece to, you know what, I am going to back that. Let me just get a bit of coffee dyed paper. Oh, actually, is that going to fit? It is, it is, it is. Right. Oops, squished that. Haven't done a lot of craft with me videos over the last 2 weeks. I think it's just 'cause my head wasn't in it. And then after doing that flippy floppy envelope thing, I'm like, I'm ready for anything. I've had to laugh at some of the comments. They're so funny. I confused myself making that, really did, big time. But it was lovely how it turned out. And I said I wasn't going to do a tutorial, but I might do a bare bones of it, not actually decorate it, but just do the bare bones of it, showing you, like, but I need to do it quick because it's sold and it's got to go in the post. I mean, I could obviously just sit and watch the video, but it's better to actually physically look at it, because that really did confuse me, and as it did a lot of other people. It was so funny, the comments. So, like, yep, that confused me. And, you know, oh, let's just trim that. Would have preferred actually to put some lined paper on there, but there you go. It is what it is now. Right, with this, oh, it's my son's come back with his friend, and he's got a little puppy. His friend's got a little puppy. It's a little puppy Rottweiler. I think I mentioned it the other day in a video. Anyway, it's about 10 weeks old, I think, and it's just fun. It's a funny little thing. It's so funny. And it just barks away at my dogs, and my dogs just bark back at it, like, playfully. Right, this, I need something to put inside there now. Let's find something. Let's find something. You know, I've got a big box of scraps here. Trying to find, oh, that might actually go in. It's not from ArtfulEra Gallery, but it might fit in there. Just make a little tag. Let's see if it goes in first. Might need to trim a bit more off. It's gonna go in, and we are going to punch a hole in there. Why do I feel like I've started to sing what I'm saying? I must be in a good mood today. Anyway, I will release this on Monday. Doing this over, don't know what day it is, Sunday, Monday, so early hours of Monday morning, something like that. That goes in there. Let's find a little bit of string. Obviously somewhere else to journal on that. That could have been just a plain tag, but that's what I had there. So that goes in there, like so. Right, do I want, see, I need something to put in there. So that's the other piece from that sheet where them long ephemera pieces came from. We'll put that in the back. I may find something else. Oh, I've seen something else. So I hope everybody is well. That can go in there. So this is definitely going to be a floating pocket in that journal. I will paper clip it in somewhere. Cut that little bit off because I always end up tearing like messing it up when it's that little tiny bit. And I watch other people do it with a ruler with like a sliver to take off, and they do it perfectly. And when I do it, I wreck the whole thing. I think it's about the pressure of holding your ruler down. Right, so that's got a little piece that's going to go in there, like so. Look at that, it's coming along nicely. And this little piece I am just going to put there, or maybe here. No, what do we think? What do we think? I kind of like it up there, so I'm going to use this glue for that. Trying to get hold of that again. The first time I ever bought this as well, the super tacky glue. Have I seen it since? Nope. Have I been to the range loads? Yes. Even this is a struggle to get at times. Anyway, my husband's daughter come up from Cornwall the other day, and they went out for coffee and a bit of shopping, popped into the range, and they had the big ones, and he picked me up too, so that should last for 2 of these. Should last me a while, I hope. So just dabbing that, don't want it to go that much. Just find my cloth. You can hear that little dog go meow. I'm just going to do that and trim, take it out, just trim a little bit of that off. And I'm hoping, now obviously that will have to dry. So we'll put that on first. We shall. It might not look how I want it to look. Here we go. And I'm trying to do that without eek. There we go. Obviously want that to dry properly. And then we have that. And I'm going to find a paper clip. I don't need to find one, I know where they are. I'll have to try doing the rust method, because I've literally got thousands and thousands of paper clips. And I could change the colours, or a little bit of alcohol ink. Okay, so I think, do I want to put that tab on there? Do I? Don't know, maybe I don't. Oh, maybe. It's this piece that comes off, isn't it? See, don't even know what I'm doing now. A little bit of glue on there. And then we've got a little side pull tab. Okay, that just goes in there. Let's see. So there we go. That was my little quick and easy project. Well, I think it's quick and easy for ArtfulEra Gallery. And yeah, check the link out. If you click on the link, you will automatically get your 40% discount when you go to checkout and you make a payment. So yeah, go check that out. Hope you like that. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching.